Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to sign in a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Chat. If you can't find Google Chat here, you can just slide the screen into the left side until you are in the app library. Just tap into the search tools, Google Chat. Okay, and after you find one, just click it to open the Google Chats. Okay, now you're already in a Google Chat. You can see here there is no option rather than a get started. This is the only button that we can access now. So this is the way, this is how the first look when you haven't had logged in, signed in into Google Chat. So the only button is only get started. Just need to click it, and after that you will be generated into managing the account. Sorry, now you just need to you scroll down and choosing which account that you want to use for the Google Chat, and after you find one, just need to click the button and change the color from gray to blue, and after the color change to blue, just need to click done, and now you are already signed in Google Chat. That's all the way how you sign in on Google Chat, guys. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't ever forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.